transform your crafts into dazzling masterpieces with our Colorable Glitter Gloss Sealer Kit. Add a stunning pearl-like effect on your finished products and get excellent surface protection from water, stains, and fading. When applied on the interior surface of candle jars, it can also prevent the burning wax seeping out. This water-based and non-toxic sealer is compatible with various materials, including Boowannite, Jesmonite, cement, gypsum, concrete, and more. Keep watching! The kit includes 4 color sets, 8 vivid colors, 8 metallic colors, 4 mixed colors, and 4 pearlescent whites. Each kit comes with a 0.2 to 5 grams measuring spoon. Before starting, you'll need these materials and tools. Let's craft with brilliance and shine. In the first step, mix the mica powder and gloss sealer in the measuring cup. Typically, use 1 gram of gloss sealer with 0.5 grams of mica powder to level scoops. Then mix thoroughly until the color is even and fluid. Use a small brush to apply the mixture to the surface of your craft pieces. And use the sponge brush to coat the interior surface with these. One a brush in the same direction following the shape of the item. 2. It's better to brush the top and surface first. Let them dry, and then brush the bottom. 3. If brush marks appear, brush over the marks until they disappear. Reapply quickly before it hardens. For the number of coats needed varies by color sets. 1 coat is usually enough for pearlescent whites. For colored and metallic sets, try to do 3 coats until you achieve the desired effect. If the mixture feels gritty, maybe you've used too much mica powder. Try to mix with our recommended ratio. Remember to clean your tools promptly after use. Squeeze the sponge brush to clean it. Rinse and scrub the brush multiple times. For the silicone measuring cup, rinse out the unset mixture and use a scouring pad to remove any residue.